Welcome back to Auto Info Master. Today, we're exploring the top 3 motorhomes of 2026, the ultimate blend of luxury, performance, and innovation on wheels. These futuristic RVs redefine travel comfort with advanced features, premium interiors, and bold designs. Whether you're a road trip lover or a luxury explorer, this list is sure to impress. Number 3. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is a bold and luxurious step into the future of recreational vehicles, blending classic American opulence with cutting-edge technology. Its exterior design immediately commands attention with Cadillac's signature styling cues. From the massive front grille finished in chrome to the vertical LED lighting elements, the front end exudes a powerful, upscale presence. Sculpted body lines stretch along the sides, giving it a sleek yet commanding profile for a vehicle of its size. Massive alloy wheels and chrome accents along the windows and mirrors further enhance the premium appeal, while the two-tone paint scheme adds a modern touch to its grand appearance. Around back, the rear design is just as striking. Sleek LED taillights span across the rear with Cadillac's emblem proudly placed at the center. A roof-mounted spoiler and neatly integrated rear camera system add functionality and style. The motorhome's body has been aerodynamically enhanced to reduce drag and improve highway stability, a rare attention to detail in the RV segment. With automated slide-outs and an electric awning system, the exterior is not just stylish but also focused on convenience for long trips. Inside, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome takes luxury to a new level. Step inside and you're greeted with a cabin that mirrors a 5-star hotel suite. Premium leather upholstery, real wood trim, and ambient lighting set a sophisticated mood. The layout is designed for maximum comfort and utility, with ample living space that includes a full lounge area, entertainment zone, kitchen, and sleeping quarters. Plush captain chairs at the front rotate to face the living area, making the cockpit part of the lounge when parked. A massive OLED display panel stretches across the dash, acting as a control center for navigation, media, and system monitoring. The kitchen area comes with all modern appliances, including an induction cooktop, microwave, smart refrigerator, and ample cabinet space. Countertops are finished in stone-look composite, and the sink features a smart faucet with temperature control. Just steps away is the luxurious bathroom, complete with a rainfall shower, backlit mirrors, and a flushing toilet. The master bedroom at the rear includes a king-size bed, smart climate control, blackout shades, and a retractable smart TV. Every inch of the interior is focused on comfort, elegance, and tech integration. Under the hood, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is powered by a robust V8 hybrid powertrain. This setup delivers strong acceleration while maintaining fuel efficiency on long journeys. The motorhome also includes advanced suspension technology that adapts to road conditions, offering a smooth ride regardless of terrain. It comes with all-wheel drive, enhanced braking systems, and semi-autonomous driving features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and auto parking. Towing capacity has been improved for those carrying trailers or additional gear. In terms of features, Cadillac has packed this motorhome with everything from 5G connectivity and satellite internet to solar charging and an energy management system. Voice-activated controls, remote diagnostics, and over-the-air updates ensure the vehicle stays current and reliable. Pricing for the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is expected to start around $250,000 and can go up to $400,000 depending on customization. For those who want the pinnacle of road travel luxury, this motorhome delivers on all fronts. Number 2. The 2026 Ford Motorhome represents a modern approach to comfort, utility, and reliability on the road, offering a perfect balance between rugged practicality and smart living. The exterior design is clean, bold, and instantly recognizable with Ford's strong front fascia. The large front grille features chrome finishes and LED headlamps that stretch into the fenders, giving it a commanding look. Its aerodynamic profile is enhanced with smooth edges and flush-mounted windows, helping reduce wind resistance while maintaining a solid road presence. The high ground clearance and robust wheel arches hint at its ability to handle diverse terrain, while still looking sleek and modern. Down the sides, the 2026 Ford Motorhome is equipped with power retractable steps and dual slide-out sections, which significantly increase interior space when parked. Smart sensors detect obstructions when deploying the slide-outs, making setup easy and safe. There's also a motorized awning with integrated lighting, perfect for evening outdoor lounging. At the rear, LED taillights and high-mounted cameras improve both visibility and safety, while a ladder provides rooftop access, where optional solar panels can be installed for extended off-grid stays. Inside, the Ford Motorhome offers a spacious and versatile living environment. The cabin is thoughtfully designed with a blend of comfort and functionality. High-quality materials like soft-touch leatherette, wood grain accents, and anti-slip vinyl flooring enhance the premium feel. The living area includes a reclining sofa, a convertible dinette, and an entertainment center with a 50-inch smart TV and surround sound system. Large panoramic windows bring in natural light, while integrated blackout shades ensure privacy when needed. The kitchen is fully equipped with a stainless steel refrigerator, microwave, convection oven, induction cooktop, and deep sink with pull-out sprayer. Ample cabinet space and under-counter lighting make cooking on the road convenient and enjoyable. The bathroom is compact yet functional, featuring a standing shower with glass doors, skylight, porcelain toilet, and a vanity with mirror and LED lighting. The bedroom is located at the rear, offering a queen-size bed with memory foam mattress, overhead storage, dual wardrobes, and charging ports on both sides. Performance-wise, the 2026 Ford Motorhome is powered by a 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. This powertrain offers solid performance with an emphasis on fuel efficiency, making it ideal for long hauls. It delivers smooth acceleration and has been tuned for quiet highway cruising. The vehicle is also available in an optional hybrid variant for improved range and lower emissions. Driving is made easier with features like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. On the technology front, the Motorhome is loaded with Ford's SYNC5 system, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice-activated controls. It includes GPS navigation optimized for RV travel, onboard Wi-Fi, and a digital instrument cluster. Climate zones are individually adjustable, and power management is handled through a centralized touchscreen interface. Pricing starts at approximately $180,000 and can go up to $250,000 depending on trim level and optional packages. For families or solo adventurers seeking a smart and reliable motorhome, the 2026 Ford model offers a compelling mix of innovation and comfort. Number 1. The 2026 Brabus Motorhome stands as a true epitome of luxury, performance, and exclusivity in the RV world. From the moment you lay eyes on its exterior, it's clear that this is not your average motorhome. The design blends the renowned aggressive styling of Brabus with the sleek, aerodynamic silhouette required for a luxury motorhome. The front fascia boasts a large, signature Brabus grille with a high-gloss black finish, flanked by adaptive LED headlamps that provide superior night vision. The vehicle's body is aerodynamically optimized with smooth curves and a dynamic stance, reducing drag and improving fuel efficiency on long trips. The sides feature subtle carbon fiber accents, giving it a high-performance look, while large, chrome wheels add to its bold presence. With dual slide-outs, the motorhome expands to offer unmatched interior space when parked, giving it a livable area that feels more like a luxury suite than a vehicle. A retractable awning and custom exterior lighting allow for an elevated outdoor experience, while hidden sensors ensure safe deployment of the slide-outs. The rear houses sleek LED taillights and high-tech cameras to assist with parking and backing up. A spacious storage compartment ensures ample room for all your gear and equipment, making the 2026 Brabus Motorhome as practical as it is stylish. Step inside, and you're immediately enveloped by an atmosphere of unparalleled sophistication. The interior showcases Brabus' signature craftsmanship, with high-end materials throughout. The living area features an expansive leather sofa, custom designed with Brabus' unique stitching patterns, offering both comfort and style. A large LED display mounted on the wall serves as the centerpiece for entertainment, while a state-of-the-art sound system brings the movie or music experience to life. The floors are finished with premium wood and marble accents, creating an ambience of modern elegance. The kitchen area is a culinary dream, equipped with professional-grade appliances, including a smart fridge, induction cooktop, convection microwave, and sleek countertops made from high-end stone materials. The cabinets are crafted with impeccable attention to detail, offering both beauty and functionality. The bathroom is equally stunning, with a rainfall shower, smart mirrors, and a high-tech toilet. Luxury finishes, like chrome fixtures and soft lighting, elevate the entire space, making it feel like a private spa on the road. The master bedroom is the ultimate retreat, featuring a king-size memory foam mattress, ambient lighting, and automatic temperature controls for ultimate comfort. Overhead storage compartments and large wardrobes provide ample space for your personal belongings. A built-in sound system and retractable TV further enhance the luxurious feel, making it a perfect space to unwind after a long day of travel. In terms of performance, the 2026 Brabus Motorhome is powered by a highly tuned 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, delivering a commanding 500 horsepower. Paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive capabilities, it provides a smooth, responsive ride. The suspension system has been fine-tuned for both on-road stability and off-road capability, ensuring a smooth journey no matter the terrain. It also features an advanced braking system for extra safety. For technology, this motorhome comes with an advanced infotainment system, voice controls, satellite internet, and a sophisticated energy management system. The vehicle also includes safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system for added peace of mind. With prices starting around $400,000, the 2026 Brabus Motorhome caters to those seeking a combination of performance, luxury, and exclusivity. It's a vehicle designed not just for travel, but for living in ultimate comfort and style wherever the road takes you. Thanks for watching Auto Info Master. If you enjoyed this look at the top 3 motorhomes of 2026, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more future-ready vehicle reviews. Drop a comment below with your favorite motorhome, and we'll see you in the next video. Safe travels.